Hello friends, last period we saw about how to decide the given values of the variable are the roots of the quadratic equation. Today we will going to study about how to solve quadratic equations by factorization method. In factorization method, first we obtain the linear factors. See here, x minus 9 into x minus 6 equal to 0. These are the linear factors. So while solving the equation, first we obtain the linear factors. So we call this method as factorization method of solving quadratic equation. And you know that if product of two number is 0, then at least one of them is 0. See here, x minus 9 into x minus 6 equal to 0. It means either x minus 9 0 or x minus 6 0. Means if product of the two number is 0, then at least one of them is 0. म्हणजे काय तर ज्या वेळेला दोन संख्यांचा गुणाकार 0 असतो त्यावेळेला त्या दोन पैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी संख्या काय असते 0 असते. And while solving the equation, first we obtain the linear factors. Hence, we call it as a factorization method. There are some solved examples. Try to solve it without seeing in notebook. And today we will see the examples from practice set 2.2. So question is, solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. So here first equation is taken, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. In 9th standard you studied about how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Same way here, this is quadratic polynomial and we factorize it. Here the terms are, this is quadratic term, this is middle term, and this one is constant term. So split constant term into two factors. So here 54 is a constant term. 54 factor of 54 are 9, 6 are 54. So the middle term is minus 15. So first give the sign of middle term to the greater factor. So 9 and 6 इनमें greater है minus 9. Sorry, 9 is a greater. So give the sign of middle term to the greater factor. So I write here minus 9. And see the sign of constant term. Here 54 is a constant term and its sign is plus. So minus into minus will be plus. So the remaining sign is minus. So I have given minus sign to 6. So minus 6 and minus 9, the sum is minus 15. So instead of minus 15x, we substitute minus 9x and minus 6x. So write here x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Grouping into 2, this one is one group and this one is second. Common factor, so x square minus 9x, the common will be x. So in bracket x minus 9. If we divide x square minus 9x by x, then you will get x minus 9. Next, third term is minus 6. So write here first minus sign. Sign of third term is written here. And what is common? 6x divided by 6 as well as 54 divided by 6. Sorry, divisible by 6. Hence, common is 6. Therefore, in bracket 6x common 6 bracket मध्ये काय राहिलं x minus 54 divided by 6. 6 9s are 54. So x minus 9. Why here minus sign? Because bracket outside हे bracket जर आपण solve केली, if we solve this bracket, then due to this minus sign, minus minus becomes plus. So x minus 9 is another factor equal to 0. Common factor is written only once. So x minus 9 and it is written first into x minus 6 equal to 0. It means x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 9 becomes here plus 9, x equal to 9 or x equal to 6. Therefore 9 and 6 are the roots of the given equation. This is the answer. 2 marks 30. This question will be asked in board exam. So right answer also, half marks for answer is reserved. Now I take the 6th example. आता आपण 6वा example घेऊया. What is the 6th example? It is 6x minus 2 upon x equal to 1. So here denominator is x. So first multiplying by x to both sides of equation. So multiplied by x to each term, 6x into x, it is 6x square. Here if we multiplied by 6 to this term, then x will be cancelled. So remains only minus 2 equal to 1 into x is equal to x. 6x square minus x plus x becomes here minus x, minus 2 remains as it is equal to right side becomes 0. Now this is the general form of quadratic equation and now we have to factorize it. So in first example the coefficient of quadratic term is 1. So 54 into 1 equal to 54. Here coefficient of quadratic term is 6 and constant term is 2. So 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2 equal to minus 12. And we have to factorize minus 12. The factors of minus 12 are, factors of 12 are 4 into 3. So sign of middle term is minus. So the sign of middle term is given to the greater factor. Greater factor from 4 and 3 is 4. So here minus 4. And the constant term has a minus sign. So remaining factor has to be plus 3. Plus sign. Minus 4 into plus 3 equal to minus 12. And minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. So substituting the values, instead of minus x, replace it by minus 4x and plus 3x. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Grouping of 2. From these two, 2x is common. So here 2x common into bracket. 2x काढला आपण याच्यातून कॉमन. कॉमन असा निवडायचा की त्या कॉमनने दोन्हीलाही डिवाइड झालं पाहिजे. 6 ला 2 न डिवाइड होतं, 6 ला 4 न डिवाइड होतं. आणि इथं x आणि x स्क्वेअर आहे तर कमी घातांकाचं पद कॉमन निघतं. मग x निघाला म्हणून 2x न भागलं इथं आपण तर 2 3 are 6. एका x ला एक x कॅन्सल होईल. Hence in bracket 3x minus 4x divided by 2x केलं तर x cancel, 2 2s are 4, hence minus 2. Now here in 3x minus 2 common काहीच नाही निघत. When there is no common then 1 is common factor. Sign of third term is given plus 1 is common. So in bracket 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Common factor 3x minus 2 and remaining factor 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It means 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That is 3x equal to, this minus 2 becomes plus when we shift it to right side. 3x equal to 2 or 2x equal to plus 1 becomes minus. So x equal to 3 is into here. So x equal to 2 upon 3 or x equal to minus 1 upon 2. 2 into a ते इकडे काय होईल divide. So 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Again another type of example is 10, 11 and 12. Same type of example. In example number 11 you have to first write common factor and then factorize it. So here is a example number 10. The example is 25m square equal to 9. So first convert it into quadratic equation. 9 right side ला त्याला left ला घेऊया. 25m square minus 9 equal to 0. So here is the expansion formula a square minus b square. So a square means 5m. 25m square कशाचा square आहे तर 5m. So I write here 5m bracket square minus 9 is square of 3. So 3 square equal to 0. A square minus b square, the factors are a plus b and a minus b. So 5m plus 3 into 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Means 5m equal to minus 3 or 5m equal to 3. That is m equal to minus 3 upon 5 or m equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Like this way you have to solve full practice set 2.2. There are total 12 examples. One of them is activity based. You have to solve it and 4 examples are solved examples. Try to solve all these examples in your notebook. At the same time solve the examples from practice set. From problem set to question number 7, you have to solve from question number 7. I think there are 6 examples. Try to solve it and do study regularly. Thank you.